I was taught that the best way to teach law is through the cases of real life people. This is how the law makes a difference in the life of a real person.
In school, you learn the background of law, but with the clinic, you actually get to work with real people in the community.
We have 3 very active clinics. We've got a health advocacy clinic, we've got a criminal justice clinic, and we've got a civil justice clinic.
They provide so many opportunities for clinics and externships, even while you're a student.
Those are opportunities for our students to do real-world work with real, live clients under the supervision and tutelage of very experienced lawyers and law professors.
My clinical director is one of my favorite parts of law school. We work on Social Security cases for homeless clients, and it's a really eye-opening and amazing experience for any law student.
I think the more they can really see the difference that the law can make to people, that makes it fun for students because they see why they're getting their degree.
Through this experience, I was able to get my 7-Eleven license, which allows me to advocate for my clients under the supervision of my clinical professor.
I was able to work with clients, indigent clients who didn't have much money, so I was able to get real life experience. I was able to go and present in front of a judge, do research, negotiate with prosecutors.
They learn substantive law in the classroom, and when they're in their clinic, they're actually able to apply that law to real problems faced by real people.
One of the wonderful things about the clinical program for many students is that it reminds them of their reasons for going to law school.
I believe that NIU just continues to help my career by exposing us to different opportunities for clinics and externships, but also by the courses that I'm taking.
My clinic experience was great because it prepares me for after law school.
It's amazing. You definitely can't find a more tight-knit community with so many resources and amazing faculty.
This degree really can give them the tools to make a pretty significant difference in a person's life.